Hi YouTube. We're still at it. What I discovered, we need to adjust this here door. Got a gap at the bottom. It was kind of touching at the top, so what I did, I went bought me the kit right here. Y'all see the part number. So I'm gonna get them swapped out and put you back on. Popped it open like you said, in big time. You can see hitting up there. That's it. So I'm gonna get that changed out. Guys, passenger side door removal. We took this here panel off for our flow. This is kick panel. We took the corner panel out. We took this here corner panel out, and you got your wires right here going to that bolt. So I'm gonna back feed them through that hole. Take this here one bolt loose, and that door should be able to slide right up off of there. We're gonna change something.
You gonna change something?
Change these.
Huh?
Change this here. Alright, let me see. Alright, y'all. Y'all see we got the door off of there. There's slack up in there. So we gotta change that. I think we gotta cut that off. Bottom of each side. And gotta beat them pins out. Alright, gang, y'all see we removed the old pins and the old bushings. You see they're pretty worn, so I'm installing new bushings, new pins, get them all locked down. Show y'all how we do that. Come with your bushing first. Next, you're gonna come with your pins. Put your bracket on, and then put your pins on. If you notice, you got two different sizes. This one here, a little thicker, this one here, a little smaller. So the smaller one at the top, thicker at the bottom. Washers and nuts. All right, you got a 13 and a 16. Just gonna lock them down. All right, nice and tight. Y'all see how that goes. Yeah, Jalea. Oh, yeah.